Rheumatoid arthritis. My friends, rheumatoid arthritis, I have given many lectures in my videos of YouTube channel that it is a autoimmune disease, a disease of the connective tissue disorder where there is progressive destruction of the cartilages of the joints, and it differs from other varieties of rheumatism. So rheumatoid disease, the chronic systemic autoimmune connective tissue diseases, unknown etiology and characterized by systemic polyarthritis, বিভিন্ন জয়েন্টগুলো ফুলে যায় with articular systemic manifestations. The pathology of the disease is as follows. It affects the synovial membrane and the articular capsule of every joint, especially the big joints, which are swollen and become edematous. The cartilage then gradually eroded and thinned out, and there will be fibrous ankylosis. Thereafter, inflammatory nodules appear in the surrounding muscle known as rheumatoid nodules, which looks like a small piece and causes flexion and deformities of the affected joints. However, this small child is gradually developing the rheumatoid arthritis, for which our homeopathic physician, Dr. Sofiur Rahman, already treated for about a year. He prescribed medicines, T. occidentalis, Natramur, Graphitis 200, Sulfa 30, according to symptom similarity and according to his own choice of selection time to time. But the guy is not curing properly. That's why he sent to me for proper treatment. What I have understood, there is relief by cold application. What's the mean? Relief by cold application. So pain relief by cold application. ঠান্ডা জল গরম জল কোনটাতে আরাম লাগে? ঠান্ডা. Cold application. Burning sensation here and there or all over the body. সারা শরীরে জ্বালা করে বলেছো তুমি? কোথায় বেশি জ্বালা করে? So জ্বালা করে. Burning sensation. The disease itself is psychotic. Burning sensation here and there body. Relief by cold application. And there is a tendency to trembling the legs, a peculiar symptom of medullarium. এর আগেও ভিডিওতে আমি প্রথম থেকে লক্ষ্য করেছি, দেখিয়েছি যে tremor or tendency to twisting the legs is a symptoms of Zinca metallicum, Natramur and medullarium. So medullarium is the choice of medicine. Considering the miasmatic background, the burning sensation all over the body and the pain relief by cold application and the peculiar symptoms has a tendency to jerk the legs without any notice. So let's see the result. I do like to prescribe medullarium 15 centesimal potency, as it is not found by Hapco company. I do not rely other companies. So medullarium 1 m 2 doses. followed by PTRS.